Alright, so in this video we are going to perform a multiplication this time by breaking down values. So in example 1, it says we want to simplify by using multiplication. So let's think about multiplication to begin with. 2 times 16, you can think about this as two different ways. You can think about this as 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, like 16 times, right? Or you can think of 16 plus 16, which is easier. But let's say you don't want to do either of those. Let's break this 16 up. So it's really 2 10 times, which is 20. And then, so we copied 2 10 times. We just need to copy it 6 more times. 2 times 6 is 12. And then we're just going to add all those together. So we get 32. So, which is 16 plus 16. Let's try this one. 3 times 24. So we'll do 3 times 20, which is 60. And we'll do 3 times 4, which is 12. Put them together, and it's 72. Now, remember, the whole premise is that multiplication can be thought of as repeated addition. So all we're doing is doing part of the addition, part of the multiplication, and we're putting it with the other part that we didn't do. So 123 times 4. So remember, the order of multiplication doesn't really matter. So I'm going to do 4 times 100, and I get 400. Then I'm going to do 4 times 20, and I get 80. I'm going to add those together. I get 480. Okay, but I still need to do this 4 times 3, and I get 12. And then let me line these up for you. 4 times 3 is 12, and I get 492. Now let's just do that the old-fashioned way, the traditional way. So I want to call it old-fashioned, by the way. I take that back. It's just the traditional way. So 123 times 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And 4 times 1 is 4. Now this is essentially doing the same thing. Because what you're doing is you're multiplying 4 by 3, which we did here. 4 by 20, which is what we did here, and 4 by 100, which is what we did here, and just combining them all. But doing it this way will enable you to do it like certain numbers in your head a lot faster. Let's try 217 times 5. Well, I'm gonna start off with 5 again. 5 times 200 is 1,000. 5 times 10 is 50. So we have 1,050. And 5 times 7 is 35. So we get 1,085. Once again, I want to show you the traditional method. 217 times 5. 7 times 5, which I did here, was 35. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is the 8, for 80, I guess. And then 5 times 2 is 10. Remember, this is what I want to see. This is just to help you. in case like you need to make sure you got the right answer. There are a few problems, if you notice in the practice, that will ask for both, but for like you don't need to do it in every single one. Thank you.